Today we're gonna make a chocolate cake shot. What does that mean? Because there's no chocolate cake involved in the making of a shot. This is gonna be a ½ ounce of Frangelico and a ½ ounce of whatever brand of vanilla vodka you wish to use. I am going to use 3 olives. You don't have to layer or anything crazy. Step 2, get yourself some sugar. Get yourself a couple wedges of lemons, 1 per serving, if you will. I'm just gonna take the lemon, I'm gonna stick it in there. So you end up with this sugar coating. Then you shoot and bite. It tastes like chocolate frosting that you just literally stuck your face in a cake, which is fun because it's a trick of the senses. The vanilla paired with the sugar, the lemon, like the tartness of your lemon, and hazelnut, for whatever reason, gives you the sensation and the texture, actually, with the sugar bite as you're doing it, like you're biting into frosting. Chocolate frosting specifically, and I think that's just the hazelnut because you get a little of that in chocolate. It's kind of like a party drink, but there is vodka and Frangelico involved, so you probably aren't going to do too many of these things. It's a neat trick. Line them up. I would dip your sugar on the lemon right before you do it, only because the sugar will start to slide off and pool under the lemon. So don't prepare them too far in advance. You can have all your shots done, and then you just lay out all your citrus, dunk them in the sugar, or have your friend do it, and then they can take their bite and do their shot, and it's a fun time. So shoot, bite, enjoy. That's the drink. Chocolate cake shot. Go make 1 or 2 or 5.